Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quinoa bread, the only way. First, let's talk about soaking. You'll want to soak 1 cup of quinoa in 2 cups of water for at least 6 hours, or even overnight. This crucial step removes any bitterness and makes the quinoa easier to digest. After soaking, make sure to rinse it thoroughly under cold water to wash away those natural saponins. This ensures a clean, pure flavor for your bread. Now let's get blending. Take your rinsed quinoa and combine it with 1/2 cup of fresh water in a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is incredibly smooth, like a thick batter. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This combination helps with fermentation. Cover your bowl and let it sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This develops flavor and texture. All right, it's almost time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, prepare your loaf pan. Lightly grease a standard 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with a little oil to prevent sticking. Once your pan is ready and the oven is hot, carefully pour your fermented quinoa batter into the prepared loaf pan. Make sure to spread it evenly. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, baking. Place your loaf pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for at least 15 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Crucially, let it cool completely for at least 2 hours before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.